Alrighty, today what we are going to do is we are actually going to do a little test video on a Makita tool that I ordered from the UK. Now, to get this tool, what I had to do is I had to switch my Amazon account. I had to switch the country to UK instead of the United States. And by doing that, it allowed me to actually search this and look it up. You need to switch your Amazon account to the UK to even look at the tool. So that's, if you guys want this tool, that's what I suggest you do. It costs about $100. That's including shipping. And so, yeah, it took like about 2 weeks to get it, but I got it. So the United States does make a 12-volt Makita screwdriver, but it's brushed. My subscribers know that this is actually my favorite line of tools. So far I got 3 of them. I have the DeWalt, Makita, and Hilti. Now, Milwaukee does make one, so I want to get that one as well. So this is my favorite line of tools. This is the screwdrivers, the 12-volt screwdrivers. I do not know why, but I love these. But we are going to test this out and see what kind of power it has. Now remember, it's a 12-volt tool, so it won't do drastic things. Fortunately for this does have 2 speed settings, so I'm actually curious on how well this works. Now we will be using a 4-amp-hour battery. Battery is full. And so yeah, let's look at the specs of this really quick and get to it. All right, so this is the tool. This tool seriously does look really, really awesome. And there is a 20-point clutch +1, which the +1 is drill. The clutch does have a huge click, which is good, so you know if it went in or not. But we will be using drill in this video. So this is model number DF032, 12-volt system. This 2-speed settings. First speed is 0 to 450 RPM on speed 2, 0 to 1500 RPM. Single LED light underneath the clutch. 1/4-inch hex collet insert is the collet push in. It is not. The collet is not push in. You need to adjust the collet for it to go in, and it's locked into place. So this is my favorite tool that is made. I do not know why, but I love this style of a tool, and that is why the Hilti is my favorite. I love this style of a tool, and so I can't wait to see what this one can do. And so I'm excited because I was going to get this in the US, but I wanted the brushless motor, and this is the CXT motor. So we will see on how well this does. And yes, it comes with a belt clip. Forward and reverse, of course. And so, yeah, that is speed 1. This is speed 2. So, let's see how well this does. And like I said, the battery is full for the 4-amp-hour battery. So, let's see what this can do. Remember, when you work, wear gloves and safety glasses. Got mine right here. All right, so I got a pressure-treated 4x6 right here. We are going to try a couple of tests. This thing is awesome, though. I love the way this looks. I love the way it looks. And my subscribers know 12-volt tools are my favorite tools. So yes, we will see on how well this does with a 6-inch by 1/8-inch lag. I think this is 1/8. Let's see how well this does. Got to play a little balancing act with this, so hopefully it goes in straight. All right, so ready? Go. That's on speed 2. Speed 2 failed. All right, so let's take it out on. Let's see if we can take it out on speed 2. Nope. Yep. All right, so speed 2 failed. Let's try it on speed 1. All right, so ready? Go. You can do it. Time it did it. Fantastic. All right, so let's take it out. Ready? Go. Oh, my bad, I slipped. Time. All right, so now let's try the 6-inch specs. Seeing how well this does. We're gonna try it on speed 2. I doubt it's gonna be able to do it on speed 2. All right, so ready? Go. Ooh, nope, it failed on speed 2. Let's take it out. Switch to speed 1. Try that again. A little bit more. All right, so ready? Go. Did it on speed 1. Did that on speed 1. See, these things are pretty powerful for what they are. Let's take it out. Ready? Go. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so let's try let's try a little bit more stress. Alrighty, so as you can see, we have a thick log right here. We are gonna try some 8-inch lags next. And we're gonna try the 6-inch specs again on this. We are gonna do lags. See on how well it could hold up. Right here is good. The battery is at 3 bars. It's on speed. Let's try it on speed 2. Let's see if it could do it on speed 2. I think it's gonna fail though. All right, so ready? Go. You can do it. Oh, you can do it. Time. It did it on speed 2. That is fantastic. Let's try it again on speed 2. Let's see if I could get it to do it one more time, or if that was just luck. All right, so ready? Go. Wow. It did it on speed 2. All right, let's see if we can take it out on speed 2. All right, so ready? Go. Time. It did it. Now let's do a comparison on speed 1. Let's see what the difference is between taking it out on speed 2 than speed 1. Speed 1. All right, so ready? Go. What was that about? That was weird. Wow, what a difference. Time. That was weird. Do not know what that was about, but let's do a quick temperature reading. 66, 67, 72. It's still cold. 72 degrees is the most I got in one spot. 75. Found it. 75. I knew there had to be a warm spot somewhere, and I found it. Let's do one more test with the specs on this. 6-inch specs. Let's see on how well this does. Very disappointed. The same thing with Hilti. I'm very disappointed with Hilti's as well. I like quick insert collets, but neither of these are quick insert collets. So, all right, but let's try speed 2. Let's see if it's able to do it. It might be a little too much because this is thicker than a Timberlock. Right here is good. Speed 2. Ready? Go. Darn good job. Darn good job. Now remember, this failed to do it on the 4x6 on speed 2. It required speed 1, so it's doing pretty well for this type of wood. Now obviously it's not as dense as a pressure treated wood, but it's able to do it on speed 2 on the log. All right, so let's see if we can take it out. Ready? Go. Yep. Time. Bingo, it did it. It's actually a good tool. I like this. I like this. Now, even working with these tools around the house, I use speed 1. I don't use speed 2 for this stuff because if you're in a situation where you do not want your screw to strip at all, I use speed 1 on everything because it's like, why do it on speed 2 in the real world? But that's why I do these tests. I do these tests to see if these actually could take the stress and to see if the motor could fries out by doing these tasks on speed 2. Now, in the future, we will be doing versus videos between the Hilti and the DeWalt. And I also will be getting Milwaukee and Bosch when it comes to this type of tool. And we are just going to have a flat out brawl in the future. But these videos will be coming up in the future. Now, I already did the DeWalt versus Hilti. Now I got to do DeWalt versus Makita and Hilti versus Makita. And so as soon as I get the other ones in here, I'll be doing those versus videos as well. But this is my favorite style of a tool. I love the 1/4-inch 12-volt screwdrivers. These are seriously awesome, and I'm glad that I was able to get this one. This one seriously does look really cool. It does. Like I said, I cannot put a link for this in the description because for you to even see this, you need to change your Amazon account to a UK account, so that's pretty much it. I just want to show you guys this tool from the UK and see how well it performs because it's a brushless 12-volt motor. It did a fantastic job if you ask me. So more videos will be coming out in the future, and I got endless videos coming to you guys. Like I said in previous videos, this channel is only getting started. So if you found this video entertaining, please like this video. Please hit the bell button to be notified of future videos, and please subscribe to the channel. This is Dave Nicholas. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.